No.
Come on.
No. What's going on, man?
Come on.
No.
What do you got, man?
You want to see it?
Taser, taser, taser!
Hey.
Just after midnight, officers get called regarding a strange man tampering and trying to pull the plug out of a dangerous restricted electric grid. They start pleading with him in a standoff that will soon turn physical.
The subject has some issues with depression, anxiety, may be on or off medication. He is acting a little strange. He's like hiding behind one of the trash compactors. Angel? Yeah. Angel! Hey! It's Officer Seth with the Gurney Police Department. What's going on tonight? Oh, does he speak English pretty well? Or? Angel, what's going on, man? Are you willing to come out here and talk to us? We just want to make sure you're okay. Are you going to stay back there or what? What's going on, man?
Angel? What's going on, man? What's happening? You just want to talk to me and you? I can see something's bothering you, man. I want to help. Here. Could you guys step around the corner for me? Go around the corner?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, man. What's going on? Can you drop the belt for me? I'm here to help you, Angel, okay? I don't want to hurt you. I don't want you to hurt us. What's troubling you, man? Come on, Angel, just talk to me, man. What's troubling you?
28, just for information, Angel is holding the belt in his left hand right now.
Let's talk, man. What's going on? I can see something's troubling you. Hey. It's okay, Angel.
Hey, Angel. What's going on?
Angel, it's okay, man. Angel. Just talk to me, man.
So, Angel is holding a belt in one of his hands, and he's got his other hand clenched with, he's wearing several rings. He's keeping his distance from us right now.
20, we can take a third, but if you can just hang out around the corner. We don't want to try to get too many people around him right now.
Hey, Angel, listen, you're not in any kind of trouble, all right? Let's just put the belt down, all right? Then we can talk like normal people, all right? How's that sound? And try to get you some help for whatever's going on with you.
Did your family do something to make you mad? Did they do something to hurt you? Could you nod yes or no? Let's just talk, okay? What are you doing?
2008, what's he doing with his right hand?
I can't see his right hand. He might be messing with that wire, though. Hey, whatever you're doing pulling on the thing, please stop doing that, all right? We don't want you to get hurt or damage the machinery. I can't see the front half of his body, but I can hear metallic clicking. Come on, man. Let's leave the machinery alone, okay? Angel, let's leave everything else alone. Let's walk out of here so we can take care of this, all right? We get you some help, get you what you need, all right?
Angel? 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 What's going on, man?
Come on.
I'm not coming near you, dude.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
No. What's going on, man?
Come on.
No.
Get the back then.
Look, I want to make sure you're
Get
okay,
the
man.
back then.
Angel,
Get the back.
let's talk this
I don't
out.
give a fuck.
What's going on,
Get
man?
the back.
I am back.
More.
More? Why's that?
Because I said so.
Why?
Come on, then, nigga. The fuck? You want to be f***ing creepy? What's up?
Come on, Angel.
Nah, I don't f*** with that shit.
There's nothing's going on. No one wants to hurt you.
What the f*** you say, bro?
Let's just get out of
I
here.
don't care what you say.
Angel? Let's talk. Come on. Something's bothering you. Dude, right now you're currently in a corner right
I
now.
don't care what the I'm at, but if y'all trying to see what's up, then we can see what's up.
Angel, do you want to hurt
If y'all
yourself?
trying to see what's up, we can see what's up.
So, Angel, are you going to hurt yourself?
Gonna find out.
You're going to find out.
Find out.
What does that mean, Angel? What does that mean? How do you want us to find out?
Gonna find out.
Angel, you can tell something's troubling you,
Gonna
man.
find out.
Beer? Okay.
I got this. You want to talk to them? I got this.
Did he say something?
Hey, Angel, what's going on, man?
Ask him who bought him. Ask him who bought him. Ask him who bought
Angel, nobody's in any kind of
him. I don't
trouble.
give a f. Shut the fuck up. Ask him who bought him.
It's okay. You're not in any kind of trouble, man.
Shut the
Drinking,
fuck up.
drinking's not illegal.
Shut the fuck up.
Angel, can you tell me what you got in your hand,
Ask
man?
him who bought him. It's a vape.
It's a vape? Oh,
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's a belt.
I see that that's a belt.
Ask him who bought him though.
Why? What?
Ask him who bought him.
Who bought them? Are you saying that they bought you beer you didn't
Get
want?
closer. Get closer. Get closer.
You can come closer. You can come out here.
Get closer.
If you want to come closer,
Get
just
closer.
come right on out.
You're shining that f***ing light in my face.
Yeah. You gotta be able to see him, man.
I don't give a f*** what the f*** you gotta do, bro. You're shining my f***ing light in my face.
Alright. Trying to aim it over here at the corner so it's not in your face. But I have to be able to see you.
Yeah? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
That's right.
Yeah?
I'm just trying to
What you
figure
do now?
out what's going on. We're trying to help you. That's what we're trying to do.
Figure out what's going on.
You want to tell me what's going on?
Come here. Figure out what's going on.
If you want to figure it out that way, come over here.
Why you scared? Little bitch.
I'm not scared. I just,
The f*** you is? What the f*** you ain't trying to come over here? What's up?
Are you scared to come over here and talk to me? Come on out.
What's up?
Come on out. Come on.
And just like that, the man steps towards officers.
You want to see it? You want to see it?
Drop the belt.
You want to see it?
Anyway, he's coming out now. Come on out.
You want to see it?
Drop.
What am I gonna see?
You want to see it?
You said you got a vape in that hand?
You want to see it?
What do you got, man?
You want to see it?
Drop the belt, you're going to get tased.
What's up?
Drop the belt, you're
Do
going to get
it.
tased.
Do it.
2020, we
Do
haven't
it.
had a taser. He's coming out
Do
with
it.
the belt.
That's
Back
right.
up! Back up!
Taser, taser, taser!
Hey.
Give us your hand, dude. We're fighting. Get down, stop fighting us. Stop. Fight. Nope. Stop it. Stop it. Stop out.
You wanted this.
Flip him. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. Stop it. Yeah, go just. I got you.
Yeah, bitches.
I got his leg.
Okay.
Hey, no, don't taser.
Yeah. Get some bitches here.
Does he have your taser? No, you don't have the taser. Get on top of him. Get boat ramp. Boat ramp. There you go. There you go. Start boat ramping. Let go of my legs. Let go of my legs. Stop digging in my leg. Stop it. I'm going to strike you. Let go of my leg. Let go of my leg.
Strike me.
Help me. Come on. Get in here. God damn it. That one. Hey, you're grabbing with it. You can grab it. Thank you. Sorry, I didn't mean to sound so. You're good. Let go of my leg, dude. It's over. Let go of my leg, dude. I got cuffs. We're all good. Okay. Sorry.
You're good. You've been aggressive.
Yeah.
Keep your hands on.
Yeah. I know it.
Oh, God.
It's locked in.
Stop it.
Whoa.
Stop it, dude. It's over.
I mean, breathe, bitch.
You can breathe just fine.
What the f*** is that?
You can have one.
I want your big ass on top of the in the f***.
The man then presents another problem for officers.
Let's get on that side. You ready? We're rolling your side, all right?
on, bro.
You're close to the side here.
I ain't going nowhere.
Dude, we're trying to get you up, okay?
I ain't going
You can
nowhere.
breathe a little easier.
I ain't going nowhere.
Alright. Get up on your knees, alright?
I ain't going.
Bend your legs so you get on your knees.
I ain't going nowhere.
You gotta go, man. You gotta go. Come on, let's go.
I ain't going nowhere.
Okay.
Dude.
Off me, bro.
Dude.
Get the off me.
Dude.
Get the off me.
We're not even on you, man. We're trying to help you get up. Get on your knees. Let's go.
Quit touching me.
Let's go.
Yeah, nigga, who the Bobby that shit? Who Bobby at?
Dude.
Huh? Who Bobby at? Who Bobby at? Tell who Bobby at. Nah. Tell who Bobby at. Hey, he bought me liquor. He bought me
Get on your knees.
liquor.
Come on, let's go, man.
Nah, I ain't going nowhere. The f.
Dude.
Nah.
Come on, man.
Nah.
Come on.
No.
Let's go.
Whoa.
Broke my glasses.
Hey, you think we can get you in the back of the ambulance to check you out?
No.
Just stay away from his legs. Look, man.
No, I don't care about that. I don't care about it.
Are they both still in the ground?
Yeah, probably. They're in this is inside. Thigh and mid.
So let's
Nah,
up, man.
Get out of here.
He's on top of him right now.
Get the f out of here.
What's your name, man?
Get out of
His
here.
name's Angel.
Angel?
No, it's not.
His name's Angel.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No,
What's your name then, brother?
I don't know my name.
You don't know your own name?
No.
It's Angel. That's what it is.
No.
He's trying to pull the wires out of the high voltage trash compactor. Family called for help because they were worried he was going to harm himself.
Over here?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. What are you trying to do, man? Stop that.
Dude, relax.
Knock it off.
No.
Look, man. We're trying to help you up.
No, the f out not, bro.
Dude, we're trying to help you
I'm trying
up.
to f somebody over, bro. Let me the f go!
You're not going
Let me go!
out of custody, dude.
Let me go!
Get up on your knees. We're trying to get you to stand up, all right?
No!
Dude,
What are you doing?
relax, dude. Relax. We're trying to help you.
I don't give a f what the f you trying to do, bro.
We're trying to
I
help
don't
you right
care
now,
what the
dude.
f you trying to do.
Let us help
I
you.
don't care what the f you trying to do.
I can see that.
No!
So here's the situation.
No!
You can either stand
No!
up
No!
or we're gonna have to pick you up.
No! Try to pick me up there. Try.
We're trying to
Try.
avoid that.
Try.
Dude,
Try, motherfucker.
let us help
Try.
Dude. Let us help you. Okay?
I wasn't doing nothing wrong. I was
You
just
started
sitting
coming
there.
at us with
I
a
was
belt.
just sitting there.
And you're
I
ready
wasn't trying to
swing
come
us
at
and
you
your
with your
family.
knife, bro.
Okay?
I wasn't trying to come at you with none. Y'all the ones that saying that shit.
No,
I asked you to come out from behind the corner
Look.
because you were endangering
There was
yourself playing those
there
wires.
was no reason for y'all to come at me, bro.
You came at us.
There was y'all.
We asked you to step out of the corner and then you decided to keep
no
advancing on
reason
us.
for y'all to come at me. Y'all should have just left me alone.
With you trying to pull the high
Y'all
voltage wires
should have
out
just left me alone.
so that you could electrocute yourself on the wires? Come on now, man. We're not going to do that.
Shoot me, motherfucker. No, I don't want to shoot me.
You guys searched him, man. We haven't even had a chance to yet.
Ha ha ha. What's up?
We're gonna roll you over, okay?
Y'all ain't doing shit.
Grab the shoulder.
Y'all ain't doing shit.
Stop, dude. Just check his pants.
I'm trying to. Get your out of my ass.
Nothing on his. You're good. We're good. It's back on your pants. Nope. Stop. Stop, dude.
Relax, okay?
Yeah. You want to see what you like? You want to see? You want to see? You want to see?
I'm trying to get you in. Stop.
You want to see?
I just want to make sure you
want to see?
I know.
You want to see?
He's got
Hand in there, upper thigh, and forehead.
Stop. Just
What's on to me, bro?
stop. Hey.
Some love on me. Some love on me.
Yeah,
You
wobble.
gonna stop kicking me?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Some love on me.
Dude.
Let's go in and I'll stop kicking. You don't gotta grab me like that.
Dude.
Alright.
You done?
Are you good?
Yeah.
Alright, just stay nice and relaxed for us, okay? Then we all good, alright?
You want to sit on your butt?
Yeah.
That be more comfortable?
Do you want us to help you up, man? Or do you want to do it yourself? Okay. Here. There we go. Perfect. Just let him stay here for now, okay? Good.
I think I'll be all right. I'm pretty sure I sprained my thumb and he broke my glasses, but otherwise I think I'll be all right.
Yes, we'll play the taser.
Yes, I deployed a taser.
Bill will get. Come on! And we'll come on!
Stop it.
Don't be then. The fuck don't need that shit.
Where are the barbers at now?
I'm done this side.
The other side.
That's what he's gonna do. We got a tool to do it, okay? Let's pull it out. And we gotta do it a certain way, okay?
Feel the pinch, okay?
I don't care what the f you gotta feel. Just pull it out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're going on.
Yeah.
It's out. Okay. Alright. Well then.
Oh, it should be somewhere on the side. Unless it already fell out.
No, the other one's gone.
Okay. The other one already fell out somewhere. Oh, there it is. I see
We're
it.
gonna take out the other one, okay?
It's up.
Oh, okay. Alright. You gotta sit down on your pot.
I'm not taking on this
You
shit.
gotta sit on your pot.
Sitting on there, motherfucker!
God damn it.
Hold on.
Dude,
Relax.
Stop. Stop kicking.
stop.
Go knock it off.
Relax, buddy. Relax. Got it. All right, we're good. This is sure.
Stop. Go for it, okay?
No, not that buckle. We're gonna do hard constraints.
You stay there. You. Yes. Up. You. Got him.
So we're gonna have to.
Okay, no, he's good. We're good. I got it.
You got it right there.
No, I mean,
Not yet. No.
all right. Put your thumb so you understand that you know what we got.
The man is charged with aggravated battery to a police officer, a Class 2 felony that carries a potential sentence of 3 to 7 years in Illinois State Prison, along with fines of up to $25,000. He also faces a charge of resisting or obstructing a peace officer under 720 Illinois Code Section 531-1, a Class A misdemeanor punishable by up to 364 days in jail. As always, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Beyond the criminal charges, officers quickly recognize this as a mental health crisis, and throughout the encounter, the suspect continues to act erratically, refuses to comply with officers and medical staff, and repeatedly resists treatment. As always, let me know your honest thoughts on this case in the comments section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
You wanted this.